Hola, hola, chickatines. This is Ultra Evil Zero, aka UltraEvilOne, aka Ultra Evil Daddy, bringing you a nice little surprise. I purchased a Kuro baby box. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, screen. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So I haven't opened it, so first reactions, took it out of the nice little bag and cut the little tapes, and nice and prepared for me. It's so professional. It's like so beautiful. Oh my god. So here we go. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, okay, all right. Oh my god. What? Yo. Está bonito. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Like that. Okay, that's beautiful. I love this. Oh. Oh, a little professional card. Ah, god, I love cards. I love, especially the edges right here. I fucking love that. Go here now. Go here now, buy yours. Oh, I know where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this in my gaming chair. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, fuck. This is, I literally have a shirt that has a green like this. Oh my god. Oh, it's little stickers. Oh my god. More, oh my, the whole fucking bag. Okay. Oh, what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, don't even need a knife. Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah. That's my cat. I needed cock rings. I needed cock rings. Oh my god. Yes, I love these. Oh my god. Hi, baby. You want to look at Daddy's new toys? Oh, this one I think is really pretty. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Ooh, what's that? What's this? What are those? more little beautiful. Oh, you are more than beautiful. Oh, hey, resistance. Oh, cute. Crystal ball tells all. Hey, it's cute. Yeah, I give this a very big thumbs up. Shh. Oh, that's cute. Shh, it's okay. Shh, Daddy's here. Kuro baby girl box is here. Kuro Kingdom. I love that. Kuro Kingdom in the pyramids. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. Oh, I can use this for my dashing. Yay. What are, oh wait, I thought it was sanitizer. It's lube. It's lube. I'm definitely using this. Oh fuck. I can't wait to feel this on everything. More lovely stickers. Oh, is that a lion? I can't wait to see that. I might do like individual showing. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait, is that you, Kuro? Is that a little picture of you? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, look at Kuro. Oh my god, look at that, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, there's so many. Oh, they're so cute. The cutouts. Oh my god, I love this. I'm not gonna show it, so you can get your own. Look at this. Look at all these. These are, I can, a lot more Kuro. A lot more Kuro. A lot beautiful Kuro. Get your box. Oh my god. And Kuro's doing everything to get this as low as... Oh my god. So you can get your hands on them. I love this. This is gonna be one of my favorites. I love skulls. Skulls is my thing. Hey, baby, don't attack daddy's little... Oh, okay. Oh, I love this one. This one's cute. Alright. This is the one that I've been waiting for. Yes. Ready? Alright. Here it is. Here she is. Ooh. I will need mi navaja. Give me 1 second. Okay, now the real reveal. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Yeah, you can do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is all I'm gonna show. This is all I'm gonna show. Because you need to buy yours. You need to buy yours. You need to buy yours. Round, now. Meow, meow. Oh my god. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I am going to do a deeper review. I know. It's corny what I just said, but I'm gonna do a deeper review on this. But if you want your own, get it. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I am mesmerized right now. I am... Woo! Let's just say I'm going to have a good time. Let's just put this for later. You need to get your own box right now. Meow. Right meow. Come on. Come on. Ooh. This little bag too. Oh my god. This is gonna be perfect. This is beautiful. Nice little... Ah, you can hear it. Ah. I'm excited. I am deeply excited. Please look at all these. I can't wait to unwrap them individually. Again, get your Kuro. Get your Kuro. Look at these all. And there's so many. And you... Come on. This was great. Did I fucking I think I slobbered. Oh my god. That's embarrassing, but that's how excited I am. If you saw what I saw, you would be waiting. Waiting to just devour. So, get your box today. Sorry if I was a little too horny for this, but I love this. I cannot wait, and hope you enjoyed. Please go ear box. Again, go right here. Go right here. There it is. There it is. Link should be down there too. Hasta luego. Oh wait, no, it was the other one.